Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing Memorial Day weekend sales to share with you. I will have them linked all below. And if there's any justice in this world at all, this will be the last time you hear the sound of my voice until Tuesday. But if something incredibly amazing does come along, we may just have to do a little more. So everything will be linked down below. First, I want to draw your attention to the sidebar of the website because we have two additional deals that I didn't create other posts for. If you're on a mobile device, this loads below at the bottom of the page and you'll see these banners there. So this first one is JB Tools. They're saying their entire website is on sale and they have clearance products up to 50%. The clearance section was over 200 items. I skimmed it. I didn't pay a ton of attention to it, but I wanted to include the banner for anyone who wants to peruse it a little bit. I did notice they had DeWalt 20-volt 5 amp hour batteries for $69.99 and free shipping, which is a pretty good deal when it's an authorized seller of the tools and stuff. It's not third party on eBay or Amazon to actually get it from a retailer for $69.99. You know, that is a good deal. And if you don't mind just buying batteries by themselves, that's not a bad option for you. The banner below, this is the Memorial Day sale for Acme Tools, and honestly, I paid even less attention to this one. So it's there if you want to skim through it. There's a lot of products. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm trying to get outside today, okay? First deal we have Tool Nut Milwaukee M18 compact tire inflator with a free 6 amp hour battery. That's an amazing battery, high output, very expensive battery if you were to buy it by itself. You're probably going to get free shipping on this. They say free shipping on most orders. Why did you? Everyone else gives a dollar amount. Free shipping over $99, free shipping over $199. If it's, Home Depot, free shipping over $45. Come on, free shipping on most orders. Give me an amount. Okay. Home Depot, $179, no battery. Acme Tools, $179, no battery. Northern Tool, $179, no battery. So you're paying $20 more, but that 6 amp hour battery is worth a hell of a lot more than $20. And people have really liked this inflator. This is a highly regarded item. And just more generally, these inflators are amazing to have, especially the cordless ones where you don't got to worry about drawing down your car battery or being within range of your car or an air compressor or something. If you're like me, trailers and lawn carts and the riding lawnmower and little hand trucks, I feel like I have 5,000 tires that need to be inflated around here, and every single time I need something, there's at least one flat tire. At least one. So I use the shit out of inflators like this and really like them. I don't have this specific one, but I will say the Milwaukee M12 is my favorite. It is my go-to whenever I can use that. That's the one to go with. So now, let me go. Okay, here we go. Second deal, we're still at Tool Nut. It's the Milwaukee M12 Packout 1400 lumen floodlight with USB charging. You're getting a free M12 battery. This is a 2 amp hour battery. Again, I think you're going to get free shipping here, but it's free shipping on most orders. $129.67. So that's with the battery and the pack out. Light, USB charging. Home Depot's $149, no battery. Acme Tools $129, Max Tool $129, no battery from them. Also, I believe both of those, Acme Tools for sure is going to charge you shipping in addition. Max Tool, I think, but there's might be $99 free shipping. Either way, you want the battery for essentially the same price. So it's only a 2 amp hour, but we're at the sale price and we're getting a free battery. No one else is offering the free battery with the sale price, so we really like that. Now for Home Depot, just real quick, I want to touch base on the Ryobi days. I know everyone's talked about Ryobi days, and it's not technically a Memorial Day sale, but just super quick, we have two main Ryobi Day deals. We have the 2 battery starter kit here for $99 and you get a free tool, or we have the $3 high output battery starter kit, $199. Again, you get a free tool. And then at the bottom of this page, I also just added all of the most discounted Ryobi specific tools currently available. Like, I really like this deal here if you're in Ryobi's lineup or interested. It may not be the most essential tools, but this is the type of stuff I like to buy with Ryobi. I have tools in so many different brands. I don't need a Ryobi drill. I don't need a Ryobi impact driver. I don't care. But this kind of stuff where maybe I don't use it all the time, or it's something that even though it's Ryobi, I expect it to last plenty long for me, it won't get all beat up, or maybe other tools just don't offer that. It's the only reason I have Ryobi tools at all, is to get some of the more off the wall, not as tooly type products. So that's why I kind of like this thing here. But there's a bunch of different stuff to scroll through to see your different discounts. No, that's a really good deal, getting the impact wrench with the battery and everything for $99. I like that 4 amp hour battery. Okay, so that's the Home Depot one. Now, Farm and Fleet, I don't have a specific item that I want to show you. I updated the top 100 deals that discounted items at Farm and Fleet, but also for Memorial Weekend, they're doing 10% off for all veterans and active military. So if you have a Farm and Fleet nearby, you can go in store and do that. They're also doing an online promo code, and I don't know exactly how that's working, but it's there for you if you qualify. And then, of course, we have all the current promotions here. And as we did last week, the items broken down by brand for what's on sale and the special offers, and then that list of the top discounted items. There were some pretty good ones, especially the one thing about Farm and Fleet is they'll run promotions of flat rate shipping or free shipping when you break certain dollar amounts. Sometimes it's brand specific, and it's kind of hard to follow because it changes week by week. But if you can buy online and pick up in store, if you're somewhere in the Midwest that has a Farm and Fleet store, you know, $9.99 for the Craftsman lineman's pliers. You get 99 cents for the spring clamps. There's a couple of different ones. You know, there's some pretty good deals mixed in here. And it's just a lot of times with Farm and Fleet, once you pay for shipping, and that's what kind of hurts your deals. The Lufkin 30-foot tape for $11.99 if you were in need of that. You know, we have some different things that are pretty good. So there's the Farm and Fleet Memorial Day items going on. Now, I want to shoot over to Amazon really quick because I just thought this was really cool. It's a pretty good deal. It's not like the most amazing thing in the world, but it's a really cool tool that I haven't seen this exact combination put together before. So 12 volts by WorkPro, 12 volt power tool combo kit, 3-in-1 cordless power tool set with the brushless motor, multi-head, 2 batteries, fast charger, and tool bag. Now, WorkPro has several 12-volt tools. I'm assuming, I feel like it's safe to assume the batteries for this 12-volt tool will fit their other 12-volt tools. That seems pretty damn logical, but sometimes Amazon stuff can surprise you on what's logical. But look at these interchangeable heads. Okay, so we have the cordless mini chainsaw, which everyone loves these little mini chainsaws. They're a lot of fun. Now, this is 12 volt as opposed to, you know, sometimes you get an 18 volt or one or whatever. But for light pruning work, things that aren't too extensive, it beats the hell out of using your arm, your own muscles for doing it. So that's pretty cool. This top attachment is a blower. So you get this little blower and blow off a workbench or something. I'm not exactly sure the most practical purpose for that. But what I really like is the little sander guy. And it comes with the belts. And I don't know if it says the exact size here. I'm probably just blind, but I don't see the exact size of the little belt sander. But anyways, I think that's pretty amazing and would be pretty useful. I mean, people do their own little DIY kits and stuff with various tools to turn them into little sanders like this. I think it'd be pretty interesting. Okay, going over to Harbor Freight, they have a 25% off single item coupon. It started yesterday for Inside Track Club members, I believe, and then starting today and through the weekend, obviously, for everybody else. They have, you know, the typical long laundry list of exclusions. In addition to the gift cards, open box, all that, we have Atlas, Bauer, Central Machinery, Cover Pro, Hercules, Predator, compressors, generators, power stations, jacks, miter saws, safes, storage, cabinets, carts, chests, welders. I didn't see Icon on here. Let's see. It does say storage cabinets. Cabinets and carts and chests. So yeah, forget that. I mean, there's got to be a good 8 to 10 items still left in the store that you can use the 25% coupon on. And then they have a couple of extra coupons going on. I'm trying to just update this one coupon page. We do have a parking lot sale coming up, which we'll be talking about in an upcoming video, but that'll probably, I haven't decided, that might be on a different page. But I'm trying to put everything on one page and then just removing things as they expire. So we'll have additional coupons down here as they are available, and you can always find them in one spot. Now, going back to Amazon real quick, we have the 2-pack of LED work lights, 400 lumen rechargeable flashlight, foldable magnetic light with 230-degree rotate by any light. So it's a 30% coupon that's on the Amazon page. So you're going to go from $30 down to about $19.99 or $10 each. You see we're double jointed there, so we can fold completely in ourselves or fold them back. But little rechargeable flashlights like this, work lights, incredibly useful. You can never have enough of them because you always lose it. It's like tape measures. You can never have enough tape measures. As soon as you put it down somewhere, you'll forget it, you'll lose it, you'll be in a different spot. There we go. Next up, over at Acme Tools, we have a gear wrench deal. It's the Mechanics Special Edition Hand Tool Racing Set. 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive, SAE, metric. I don't know if it's been in a video before, but we did post it on the website about 3 weeks ago, but it's actually dropped in price since then. It dropped in price actually at Home Depot also. So the current price at Home Depot is $99. The last time we posted it, it was $139. Now, right now, it's $79 at Acme Tools, but we have this promo code TCC10, which takes $10 off $79 or more, so it brings it down to $69, and then you're going to have that $5 or $6 flat rate shipping fee you'll have to add into it if you don't buy anything else. But if you go over to the banner here, the Memorial Day sale, you find something else, you get over that $200 threshold, you'll save the shipping, so maybe you find a couple of things to go with it, but you're getting a lot of sockets, 2 ratchets, all the bits and the drivers. Seems like a pretty good value for $69. Being gear wrench, for the most part, people like gear wrench. And for me, it's kind of taking Craftsman's spot. Back when I was in my younger days, Craftsman was like my go-to. But even back then, a lot of the stuff was still made in the USA and everything. And not that, I don't know if anything from gear wrench is, but I feel like the quality of gear wrenches has surpassed Craftsman, at least what you're getting nowadays out of them. So I like me some gear wrench. Now, here is our free item. We get a free item at Northern Tool with a coupon. Didn't see that coming at all. I'm not even sure how often they've done this because I can't think of another time that I've seen a free item at Northern Tool. And it's not free with purchase. It is free without purchase. You have the coupon. You walk in the store. You get a free item. You can either have a physical coupon or you can just show them a digital coupon. So you walk in, you get your free item, you walk out, you give your friend to your wife, yeah. You give your phone to your wife, and then you walk in, and she gets a free item, and then you give it to your mistress, and then she walks in, and then you give it to your girlfriend, and then she walks in. By the end of the day, you got 4 sets of these free ratchet straps. That's actually a pretty good value. I mean, that's better than the little stupid puck light that Harbor Freight gives you, or the microfiber towels. Like if I said, hey, I'm going to give you this for free, you can either have this dinky ass puck light, or you can get what I'm assuming is a 4-pack of ratchet straps. You can have either one free. I mean, you got to be a dumbass to want the little puck light. So it starts on the 27th. That's tomorrow. Goes through the 29th. Got a couple of days. It's in-store only. That's the bite in the ass. Because I was even thinking, all right, I don't know where the nearest Northern Tool is, but for free ratchet straps gives me an excuse to go to the store. Maybe we do a little video in the store, see what else they got. And then I looked it up. Nearest one over 80 miles away in Wisconsin. I don't live in Wisconsin. And 80 miles each way for ratchet straps? Doesn't sound like a great decision. So when you're picking yours up, be thinking of me. I'll be living vicariously, is that how you say it, through you and your free straps. You can rub it in my face. It's the only thing you can rub in my face. And then we updated the promo code, so we got the 20 off hundreds, which again, you can use those online or in store. We got 10 off 50, so we still got plenty of time to use those. We keep that up to date on the page. And then I updated the highest discounted tools to go with the Memorial Day stuff, so if you find anything else you need to go with it. And then also, did I skim over it? This top banner here is their official Memorial Day sale ad. It had like 600 items in it. And I really hate that trend with all the online, quote, ads, because everyone does it. Northern Tools got, 600, Acme had 600, Lowe's, Home Depot, everyone. It's like, no, I don't count that. I'm not skimming through hundreds upon hundreds of items. That's why I like a physical ad better. They can't fit that much there. They got to pick out the best and put it in the ad. I miss physical ads. I don't like this digital shit. They just throw everything in there. Oh, it's all on sale. No, it's not. This is a pretty good deal, though. If you need an impact wrench and you're still using air or prefer to use the air, it's 500 foot-pounds, $49.99 with free shipping, and Clutch is their house brand. There's another one, too, unless I already passed it when I wasn't paying attention. We got the toe straps, 30 foot, 20,000 pound, $19.99. You got to add shipping into that. They've had a bunch of those little disinfectant sprayers. They're really trying to get rid of that. Maybe they bought them up during the big C. So here's the stubby version, still 500 foot-pounds, $49.99, ships free. Anyway, they got a bunch of stuff as well. So I think that wraps up what we got for Memorial Day for you guys. I have everything linked down below. If anything else comes up, we'll do another video or a post or something, but honestly, I'm hoping not. Hoping not. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.